guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can create shake with fire effect on your edit in CapCut. So first you need to add your clips and just click on the transition box and then click on camera and then select the shake to transition. Okay, this one, and adjust it for 0.5 seconds. Now click on the second clip, animation. Under the in category, select the turbulence animation for 1 second. And lastly, you need to go to the video effect, find the spark category, and then select the campfire party. Here, adjust it to your liking. You can adjust the color. I'm going to go with this 15, this orange color, so that it looks like a real fire. And after that, just click on the check icon and put the effect under the second clip. And this is the final result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you get any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.